Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to ignore group chat in Messenger. So if you want to ignore group chat in Messenger, this is what you have to do. Tap on the group chat you want to ignore on the Messenger, tap on their profile. So on the profile you'll see a kind of bell icon there, tap on it. So you can now, if you want to ignore it for 1 day, you tap on the mode icon. So you select if it's 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, until I change it, any of them that you wish to. So if you want, let me tap on until I changed it. I want to, for now I don't want to be seeing the message for now. You tap on OK. So now this group chat, I will not be seeing it again until I go back to the group chat and change the modes that I am changing it from being modes, so that it will not be mute again. Then I'll be able to see the chats from this group. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bells to always get notified anytime I upload helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching.